What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is James, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do so right now and click on the bell icon to get notified every single new video that I do. Today I want to tell you 5 side hustles that are perfect for people that are in employment. Let's get those credits rolling. Side hustle number 1, selling women's outfits or selling women's clothes. It's no secret that women love buying new clothes, and it can be handbags, it can be dresses, it can be skirts, whatever it is that women would like to buy. As a side hustle, you can be able to make so much money from selling things to women. If you're a lady, then you would need to have a good sense of style in order to be able to get this kind of clients to you, because all you need to do is go to a place where you can purchase them at a good price and then offer it for sale to people who are around you, your colleagues, your friends as well, who can buy from you. So business number 1 is selling women's outfits. Business number 2 is event planning. And this is because most events are held on weekends. And if you're working Monday to Friday, then Saturday and Sunday are usually free for you. And you can be able to begin an event planning business in that way, because you start doing your events on Saturday and Sunday when you're not at work, and it doesn't interfere with the work that you're doing, and it can even become a full income job once you get to understand how to get better paying clients and to even get a bigger volume of clients. Then you can be able to even turn that side hustle into a full income. Business number 3 is blogging, and I will do a specific video on how to start a blog and how to run a blog in a future video, so keep watch for that. If you haven't yet subscribed, that would be a perfect reason to subscribe right now. Now, how to make money using a blog? Usually you can get AdSense, where you can have Google run ads on your website. Anytime that people view those ads, you will get paid. If someone clicks on those ads, you can get paid as well. And that will require that your blog gets regular visitors every single time. The traffic is a little high, and I will speak more on blogging, but it's a good side hustle if you are in employment and if you have a gift for writing. Business number 4 that you can start if you are still in full-time employment is YouTube. And video is the way to go. If you are on this channel right now, then it means that we must be doing something good, right? So the way to make money from YouTube is another topic that I will also cover on this channel at a later date. So make sure that you're subscribed, and make sure that you keep an eye out on how to make money using YouTube, because YouTube can become a lucrative career for you if you understand the business side of YouTube, if you understand how to do a YouTube video, how to make sure that your YouTube video also gets views and gets comments and shares and likes and all that, and you can be able to grow your channel to where you can start earning from it. And business number 5 is photography. And we have spoken so many times on this channel about photography, which is a business that I also do, and I'll place a link to my Facebook page and the Instagram profile in the description below, so that you can be able to follow us there and look at what we've done. And the reason why this business is a perfect one to start is the same as event planning, because most events and most clients come to you because they want work done for the weekend. So you can be able to hold a full-time job as well as do photography as well. And as you grow, if you get into commercial photography, then you'll probably be earning better and you can move into full-time photography. Business number 6 is called freelancing, where you offer your skills to be paid for whatever skill you have. You may be a writer, so you can do article writing for your clients and you get paid. A good site that I know is called iwriter.com, where you can be able to actually go and start writing for individuals for pay. The better you are at this, the more you'll be able to earn, as well as you can do transcription. There is a course by a Kenyan called David, which I will place a link to in the description below, so that you can be able to learn what is known as transcription and captioning. Whenever you see words written and whenever you see subtitles on videos, then that is called captioning. So you can be able to learn that as a skill. If you would like to learn, I'll place a link to his course down below. It's very affordable, and once you sign up, then you can be able to learn something that will be able to help you as you're still employed and you're still making a side income. Question of the day: do you have a side hustle? What is that side hustle? Share it in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend of yours if you know that this tips on this video will help them. See you in the next video.